Your streaming TV service gives you the ability to manage your series programs with the Series Rules feature. So what does Series Rules mean? For programs or your favorite sports teams that will have many episodes or games that air, you can manage the number of episodes or games that you want your streaming TV service to record. Let's say you really like to watch the news that airs each evening, but you have commitments and can't watch it till the next day. From the program guide, press the left side or right side of your Amazon remote ring until you have highlighted the program series that you want to record. Press the center of your remote ring to open the program information window. Highlight Record and press the center of your remote ring to open the Recording Options window. Here you have three options. Series, New Only, which means the service will only record new episodes of the series or sporting event. Series All, which will record all episodes of the program, including reruns. And One Time, if you want only to record the single program that you have selected from the program guide. Once you have made your selection, press the center of your remote ring, and you will have made your series recording. You can also make changes to your series rules or delete your series recording without deleting the already recorded series programs. From the Recordings menu, press the bottom of your remote ring until you have highlighted Series Rules. Press the left or right side of your remote ring until you have highlighted the series that you want to delete. Press the center of your remote ring to open that series, and to delete the series, highlight Delete this series rule, and then press the center of your remote ring to delete the series recording. Keep in mind that you will still be able to watch the series programs already recorded, and that no more recordings of the series will be made. You can also modify your series rules by changing what recording type and how many series episodes that you would like to keep by following the instructions just given for accessing series rules. Select Edit, Modify this series rule. A recording options screen will open, giving you the ability to change the recording type options. When the recording type drop-down is highlighted, press the center of your remote ring to open your two options. Record all episodes or record only new episodes. Press the top or bottom of your remote ring until you have highlighted your choice. Then press the center of your remote ring to make the change. You can also edit the number of episodes that you want to keep at most by highlighting the Keep at Most drop-down and pressing the center of your remote ring. You can then scroll up or down to select the number of episodes you want to keep, or you can choose to keep them all. Then press the center of your remote ring to make the change. There is one other series rule edit feature that lets you add time at the beginning or end of each series recording. Now, this is especially useful when recording sporting events that sometimes go longer than the time scheduled for them in the program guide. Press the top or bottom of your remote ring until you have highlighted either Start Recording if you want to have the program begin earlier than scheduled, or End Recording if you want to extend the program recording time. Press the center of your remote ring from the highlighted drop-down and press the top or bottom of your remote ring until you have highlighted how much extra time you want to add. Then press the center of your remote ring to make your selection. After you have made your series rule edits, don't forget to highlight Save and press the center of your remote ring to complete the edits. By learning how to manage series recordings, you have the ability to record an entire season of programs or sporting events, and then watch them whenever your schedule allows. You can even binge watch an entire season. Your streaming TV service puts you in control to watch TV when you want to watch it.